What makes us different from other competitors is a great question. However, I don't want you to take it from me. I want you to take it from our clients and hear what they have said about us.
The eLearning Partners is different because we actually care about their learners.
They feel like we are a partner. Hence our name, eLearning Partners. Our name was picked by them.
We don't care about the technology. We actually teach people how to build out programs as cost efficient as possible, because in the end, the most important thing in e-learning is to provide value to the learners. Without the learners getting value, our learners and customers can't get value.
Because they knew that they had a company that they could rely on. They knew that they had a company that actually practiced what they preached and didn't just talk the talk, but walk the walk.
We get emails all the time from people who take our MasterClass saying, oh my God, can't believe you're giving this away for free. This is amazing. Like, just in this MasterClass, I know exactly where to start, know exactly how to define my learners and my courses every time.
They had a company that all the promises that were made not only were fulfilled, but also were exceeded. They had somebody that they could trust. And that is one of the biggest things that they have shared with us, that not just one, but every client that has worked with us has shared about us.
We have people that send us emails all the time and have actually done video testimonials for us just about how much time and money we've been able to save them just by cutting through all the noise that's out there on the internet related to e-learning. Because our process, we really do have an A to Z process, and what our learners and clients say is that they easily plug into it and then we accelerate them to the finish line.